physics. What is physics? Physics is a very broad subject in which we do study different kinds of subject. जैसे कि इसमें फिजिक्स बेसिकली जो होता है वो स्टडी ऑफ नेचर, हम लोग एक जनरल वर्ड में बोले तो यह स्टडी ऑफ नेचर होता है. दिस इज इम्पोर्टेंट. स्टडी ऑफ नेचर, नथिंग मोर नथिंग लेस. जो भी फिनोमेना घटनाएं हमारे नेचर में हैपेंड होती हैं उन सारे फिनोमेना को जो स्टडी करता है वो फिजिक्स के अंतर्गत होता है. जैसे नेचुरल फिनोमेना क्या होते हैं? लेट्स से sunshine and sunsetting. You observe it every day and every morning. Second, सूर्य ग्रहण, चंद्र ग्रहण, twinkling of a star, rotation of earth and other kinds of phenomena all are studied by the physics. So physics is a very word. In other word, one definition also given to this term physics, that is matter study of, also study of matter, energy and their interaction. मैटर, एनर्जी एंड देयर इंटरेक्शन. ये वर्ड भी हम कई बार यूज करते हैं. मैटर, एनर्जी एंड देयर इंटरेक्शन. सो now we are going to classify physics in mainly 4-5 branch. That is first branch. So now classified physics in 4-5 branches. That is 4-5 branches. The physics first classified into classical mechanics. First one is क्लासिकल मैकेनिक्स. पुरानी जो चीज़ें होती हैं जो सबसे पहले शुरुआत की जाती हैं, क्या जहाँ से मतलब पहली चीज़ शुरुआत की है फिजिक्स को बनाना, वो वाला ब्रांच जो हम लोग यूजुअली वर्ड यूज करते हैं क्लासिकल. जब क्लासिकल सॉन्ग हो गए तो क्या करते हैं, जो लास्ट में इवॉल्व हुए हैं, शुरुआत में बिल्कुल जहाँ से बिल्कुल बेसिक बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक होता है, उन चीज़ों को लिए हम यूज वर्ड करते हैं क्लासिकल. बिल्कुल पुरानी चीज़ें बट दे आर वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. अब क्लासिकल मैकेनिक्स जो मोस्टली डेवलप किया गया है वो 3 से 4 साइंस के लिए किया गया है. 3 से 4 साइंटिस्ट मिलकर गए हैं और इसका जो यूज करते हैं हम लोग, फॉर एग्जांपल इसका जो यूज करते हैं हम लोग, यह है नॉट टू small bodies. Not too small bodies means what? Not too small bodies means the object which size is lower than 10 power minus 6 micrometer. That is size of electron, size of proton. This is very small size of the particle. And here classical mechanics cannot be used to study the motion of the particles. So for that we have used different mechanics, that is quantum mechanics. But for general bodies like star, like a planet, like earth, other this kind of problem can be handled by the classical mechanics. And in classical mechanics, there are also three types of mechanics which are studied. That is Newtonian mechanics, and the evolution of Newtonian mechanics takes place between from 1687 AD onward by Newton's. And second one is Lagrangian mechanics. Lagrangian mechanics developed in 2080 AD by scientist Lagrange. And last one is Hamiltonian mechanics. Hamiltonian mechanics, and it is developed by the scientist Hamilton, and it is in 1830 AD onward. So in this Newtonian mechanics, we will study at your 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th level Lagrangian mechanics and Hamiltonian mechanics at undergraduate courses. Next is quantum mechanics. Next word is quantum mechanics. So in quantum mechanics, we have study for small particles, that is 10 power minus 9 meter to 10 power minus 15 meter, that is for nucleus, and it is for atom. So this is for two small particle, not small. This is for two small particle. And here is a statistical mechanics. Here is a statistical mechanics. Statistical mechanics. So in statistical mechanics, we are discussing for large number of particles. This is very important. Large number of particle, and large number means what? That is, it is equal to 6.0 10 power minus 23 particles per mole. And one more branch of science is here we have right relativistic mechanics. So for high speed, for very high speed, that is velocity of particles is comparable to the velocity of light, that is equal to, इस वेलोसिटी के इक्वल जब हो जाएगा ऐसे इक्वल टू 3 into 10 power 8 मीटर पर सेकंड या इसके आसपास, लेट्स से if v is equal to 10% of c, then this is considered as very high speed. And for this speed remaining, the classical mechanics is not helpful to explaining the correctly, so we use relativistic mechanics, and this mechanics was given by the Einstein. So it's most of things we have discussion: classical mechanics, quantum mechanics, statistical mechanics, and relativistic mechanics. And we have discussed in classical mechanics there are three mechanics: Newtonian, Lagrangian, and Hamiltonian. Newtonian mechanics are little bit old. Lagrangian mechanics is 70-80 AD, and Hamiltonian mechanics 70-80. So there we defined the term L equal to T minus B, while here we defined F equal to T plus. This is the main courses, and here we define force and motion. Here we are mostly concerned with force and motion, while here energy.